everybody, I'm Emerald and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making a fairy garden. So stay tuned, keep watching if you want to see how I made this beautiful whimsical fairy garden. Fairy gardens are basically miniature gardens with whimsical elements that you can put in a place in your outside garden or in a pot inside. They are meant to attract fairies and little magical creatures to your garden. It's a fun activity you can do with kids, or if you're like me and forever want to live in a fairy tale. So first, I'm putting soil in my pot and planting a succulent. It's best to use small plants for your fairy garden like succulents. I flattened the soil in the pot to have an even surface to place my decorations. I got this fairy garden kit on Amazon. It comes with these little figurines and a plastic shallow bowl to put in, but the bowl just didn't look good, especially to how quality the figurines are. So I got this clay pot for $10 at Home Depot, which looks much nicer and is also larger. I got some reindeer moss for $5 at Home Depot, and I'm just going to spread that around the pot on top of the soil. I had to glue the fairy onto the swing, and I used glue I haven't used before because I couldn't find my hot glue gun. She keeps falling back because her wings are so heavy, but the glue eventually dried and she's all good now. I collect crystals and have a bunch of amethysts, so I placed some in my garden. Then I placed these little glass stones to make it even more whimsical and iridescent. The fairy kit came with these little stones. Now it's time to spark the magic in our fairy garden and sprinkle fairy dust to attract the fairies to our garden. Thank you all so much for watching and hope everyone has a magical day.